Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So very quickly, let's talk about how you can be able to claim the grass airdrop season 2 reward. Alright, so the whole process is very simple, and all you have to do right now is to watch this video till the end to understand all the processes involved on how you can be able to claim the grass airdrop season 2 reward. Alright, so a couple of weeks ago we actually got our token allocation, and a lot of community members were not happy about the allocation, and of course a lot of us were surprised because of the fact that the reward was actually distributed in USDC instead of the actual grass airdrop token. But that is not the concern of today's video. Let's focus on how we can be able to claim the grass airdrop season 2 reward. Now the first process that you need to take right now is to go to the grass airdrop website. You can see this is the website right here. Okay, and before I continue with the video guys, if you haven't subscribed to today's video, please kindly do well to subscribe to today's video, and of course like this video you are watching right now, share it and drop an interesting comment. I am going to be sharing 5 USDT to 5 viewers, so if you want to be participating on it, make sure you have shared this video and also make sure you have dropped an interesting comment on the comment section. Now let's continue with the video. So the first process that you need to take before you can be able to claim the grass airdrop is to go ahead and review the grass latest updates as regards the claiming process. All right, so before we continue with the video, remember this video is not a financial advice. This video is just for information and educational purpose only, and before you engage on anything called crypto, make sure you have done your own personal research to understand the system before you engage or take any action. Now over here on the grass airdrop Twitter account, you can see what they wrote right here. They gave the update about 1 day ago saying that the claims are now live for grass stage 2 reward, and they went ahead to mention the processes that you need to take to be able to claim the airdrop reward, and they gave this note right here saying that a small network fee may be deducted from your claim reward to cover on-chain cost of delivering reward to your wallet. Grass does not retain the network fee. Now they are trying to let us know that while you are trying to claim the airdrop, they are going to deduct a little amount to cover the network fee, okay. They also went ahead to announce that the grass will never DM you first or ask for your seed free. So if anyone is messaging you or asking you to reveal your grass seed phrase or private wallet, you should never check or claim through any of those people. Okay, now let's go ahead to the most important thing, which is the processes that we are going to be taking to claim the grass airdrop. Now first thing you need to do is to head to the grass airdrop website. All right, so this is the grass airdrop website right here. Now on their website, not on their app, you need to go to their website. Now you need to click on this leaf right here. All right, so once you click on that leaf, allow it to load up correctly. Now, and after loading up, they are going to be giving you a little message right here telling you about how you can be able to manage your wallet and all that. Simply click on continue after reading and understanding it. Now once you click on continue, you can see they are going to be sending OTP to the email address that you use or that you verified while creating your grass airdrop account. Okay, now you need to go to the email to copy the code. You can see the email just dropped in right now. Okay, so this is the email right here. I will just need to go ahead and of course copy the email. Now let me go ahead to my email box and copy the email and paste it right here and verify it. Okay, so right here, this is the email right here. Okay, this is the email right here. These are the process that I need to take. So I will just go ahead and copy this email like this, and once I've copied it, I need to head right here and of course paste it. Now after pasting it guys, you go ahead and click on verify. Now immediately you click on verify, they are going to verify. You can see I've successfully been verified, and of course you can see this will remain after 6 minutes, or I guess. Okay, now they said wallet setup successful, managing your grass reward just got easier. You have successfully finished setting up your grass your new wallet. This wallet is linked to your grass account, making it easier to earn, track and manage your reward. Now I click on manage wallet right now. Now once you click on manage wallet, they are going to be giving you an address. They are going to give you an address where you can, with this address, you can, of course, deposit crypto if you feel like. Now, of course, this is my balance right here, totally zero. Now you can see you can deposit, you can withdraw, you can swap. And scrolling down right here, this is what I have right here. Nothing is stake hour, and then nothing is left for you to unstake. Now, what do you need to do? Now, after setting up your wallet, go ahead and click on this leaf icon right here. Okay, now once you click on the leaf icon, you scroll down a little bit, you are going to be seeing your grass airdrop allocation right here. Okay, this is your allocation. Now go ahead and click on claim 1.49 USDC. Now coming over, you can see they will tell you that your apps are all up to date. Okay, now go ahead and click on the reward. So for me personally, I've got 1.49 USDC. Your own reward is going to be totally different, I believe. So I will go ahead and click on claim 1.49 USDC. Now once I click on it, now they are going to be saying that you are claiming 1.49 USDC on Solana. Now they are going to be asking you, how do you want to claim? Are you claiming through Grass wallet or through browser wallet? Now I'm going to be continuing with Grass wallet. Okay, now over here guys, when I click on browser wallet, you can see that a lot of things are going to be changing right here, but when I select Grass wallet, you can see that it actually changes. All right, this one is more costly. Okay, now we're claiming with Grass wallet, you can see it's a little bit cheaper. Now I will click on confirm claim, and remember they are going to be taking a gas fee. You can see the gas fee right here. This is the network gas, 0.19 in case of my own. Now successfully I have claimed my Grass airdrop. You can see allocation claimed written right here, and I've successfully claimed 1.16. If you check this out, you will see that it's different from the total allocation that I got from the airdrop. That is because they actually took out their network fee. Okay, now over here guys, you can see claim successful, and this is 1.17 network, and of course $0.39 in uptime, and of course a total of 5 devices. So I'll click on view in wallet. They are going to be taking me to my wallet, and over here on my wallet you can see I have got the Grass airdrop allocation right here, and looking at the USDC balance, you can see it has also increased. Okay, you can see it has also increased, and also my Solana balance right here also increased just a little bit. Now you have a wallet and you also have your airdrop in it. It is just as simple as you have seen right now. So if you have any question as regards how you can be able to claim your Grass airdrop allocation, let me have it right there on the comment section. And remember, after getting your USDC right here, you can easily transfer it out to maybe an exchange or another wallet, and from there you can make use of it the way you want it. Okay, now simply right here I have simply displayed how you can be able to claim your Grass airdrop allocation. For those of you who are probably finding it confusing, if you still find anything confusing, let me have it right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you out. And remember, I'm going to be giving out $5 for those of you who are going to be watching this video and be willing to participate on the $5 giveaway campaign. All right, so do well to share the video. That is very important, and also drop a comment on the comment section. That is also very important. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video guys, and I'll be speaking to you on the next video that I'm going to be dropping very soon.